here. It's 360 Adelaide Street West. What on earth do we have here? I have no idea what brand this elevator is. Here it is. Might be a small new installation or just a model one, who knows? Let's see. But no. Here it is. Here it is. Nope, this is an oldie. It's a Precision 5. This is not original, but it's been modded. This thing is tiny. It matches 9 persons, 1,500 pounds. It'll be smaller than that. Traction. Cottage. Clink, 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 clink. I like those buttons, look really interesting. Dewhurst US 89 for the next generation type, I guess. I didn't expect it to be a Precision, I thought it'd be a Lula. Limited use, limited application. P5. Cab view. Pretty small, but 9 passengers, not too bad. 5. What's the brand of this thing?
Going down?
Yep.
Okay.
First floor?
Yes.
Small, tiny thing.
Old.
Yeah, but it's classic. But not completely original though. That's the thing. But
Yeah.
it still has like its originalities.
Nails are awesome.
Oh, thank you.
Really great
I
color.
love chrome.
Yeah.
So fun.
Yeah. I feel like in winter you can get away with a lot more too because you can
I
go
know,
darker
right?
and
Yeah, it's so true. I was
Yeah.
like, yay, dark nail season is coming.
Yeah.
First floor. Okay. After you two. Good day. It's a GAL. So it was a original. And that's it.